Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm going to show you what is and how to create a retention plan of customers. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, when we talk about retention plan of customers, we're really talking about a strategic tool. It got the following characteristic. It is a strategy applied by a company or a brand to maintain their current customers for a much longer term, and of course, sometimes to expand. This initiative increase customers' value and encourage them to continue purchasing and becoming brand ambassadors. Customer loyalty must be achieved by improving the quality and experience of your products and services, making the changes you consider necessary so that your customers are increasing satisfied with what they are offer them. Retaining is cheaper than acquiring new customers. Loyalty is necessary due to increase of competition. Okay, so when we talk about this plan, we're really talking about how can I maintain my current customers. If they prefer me, is for something, and sometimes I don't even know why. So that is extremely important because if I can retain my customers, I can expand and go to the future. Okay, so before starting this, if you like what we do, if you like our content, please subscribe to our channels, give us a like, turn on the bell because it really helps us a lot to keep growing. So that's a big help. So when we're talking about retention, is something that is gonna be transversal. What does that mean? It means that as long as the business, as long as the brand exists, you need to keep doing this. And that's why it got this form that is quite curious, because sometimes people tell me, Jorge, for how long do I have to do this? And the answer is quite easy. It's for as long as it takes, and it's extremely necessary that you keep doing and try to retain your customers and of course get new ones. Okay, so the first thing that you need to keep in mind is that your strategy and your plan, it has to be user-centered design, and of course it has to make a better experience. I'm gonna give you an example. For example, back in the day, when you want to purchase something on Instagram, you have to make the payment due to the office and then send the comproband and all of that. That is too long. People don't like that. People like to be secure of what they are purchasing. It's gonna come back and it's gonna be good. So always keep thinking in what is the best for the user. So if they are preferring you, is for something, you need to know why, and you have to keep doing that. If you are doing something good, you don't have to change it. Perhaps you can improve it, but never make it worse. That's something that is very important. The second thing is the logistic. If you are sending packages, if you are doing things on time, it has to be very, very important that you keep in mind that the experience of your user is the most important thing. It's extremely important. If you don't do that, people will get annoying and say like, everything is coming late. I don't like that. Why are you taking so much time? So the logistic always has to be on time. You have to send your products in a very good way, in a very good condition, and you have to keep consistent in that. And of course, the strategy. I need to know, first thing in mind is that why my customers prefer me over my competition. And I have to be very clear in that. I have to know why. And then you have to create a strategy that allow you to keep doing what you're doing good, keep going with that, but you have to keep innovating. You have to keep giving more stuff, more experience. That is really what make people become loyal to a brand or loyal to a specific company. Keeping in that mind, always remember, it is cheaper to retain a customer than get a new client. Of course, if the experience of your customers are very good, they will talk to someone about that and perhaps they will refer you. And that is extremely important, even though that nowadays everything is digital and everything has becoming like more, yeah, online and digital. You can keep promoting if you have a good experience. Always remember, a good experience is reply 5 times, but a bad experience is always reply 10 times. So always keep that in mind. And of course, the most valuable customer is the one that you never lose. And you have to keep that in mind because you need to know why they want to stay with you, why they are referring you, and of course, try to keep innovating with that. That's how retention customer works. However, the innovation plan, especially the point number 3, you need to be aware, always looking for new things, always looking for things that allow you to become way better. As a conclusion, we can say that the retention process never ends as long as the company exists. That is extremely important. It is important to understand that the technology resources evolve rapidly, and this must be taken into account. Extremely important, because something could be working very well right now, but in a couple of months, no. So always keep that in mind. Thank you so much. I hope this helped you a lot with your business. Thank you so much. Remember that our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Follow us on social media. Give us a like. Every Monday, we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday, a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.